Mid-job, the printing machine suddenly halts. Dark ink floods across the pristine metallic interior, creating an immediate physical mess. Technicians typically focus on the visible mess. They use solvents to clear clogged nozzles and wipe away the leaks at the head. Cleaning a nozzle removes the blockage, but the pressure that forced the ink out of alignment hasn't been corrected. The hardware is clean, but the system is still failing. Focusing on visible failures leaves the internal fluid mechanics unchanged. The machine is destined to fail again. Printers operate through a calibrated internal pressure equilibrium. This balance holds the ink in place until the exact millisecond of the print command. A faulty damper or a fractional temperature rise breaks that balance. This gauge represents the system's stability. When temperature spikes or a damper fails, the reading shifts into the red zone, marking an unstable state. Ink then breaches its regulated pathways. A move stirs the internal lines without any restraint. The volume of ink hits the narrow nozzle bottleneck and accumulates. The passage is now blocked. With the fluid still pushing from behind, the pressure backfires. This force destroys the printhead and triggers a total shutdown. The ruined printhead is the final link in a mechanical chain. The pressure system is the actual cause of the failure. Re-examine the standard repair process. Swapping a head only replaces the most recent victim of the pressure surge. Installing new hardware without resetting the pressure system is a temporary fix. The same imbalance will destroy the replacement component within days. This graphic shows the difference in approach. Real repair ignores the localized symptom on the left to focus on the full architectural blueprint on the right. Mastering these machines means looking past the visible ink. You must control the invisible pressure forces that dictate whether the hardware survives or fails.